Hi again guys. So, it's raining. Maglalakad sana ako. I was gonna take a walk to just relax my mind and take things off my head. But unfortunately, four seasons in Auckland. So, I'm gonna go for a short drive. I'll drop by Dressmart and then Chemist Warehouse. So this is what my hair looks like after I have just shampooed it and blow dried. So I haven't straightened my hair. I just had keratin treatment a few months back, but I wasn't, like after a few months or a month, it started getting dry again and really frizzy. And I don't like the look because I usually have my hair up at work. So I'm gonna go for the Kativa hair straightening kit, and we'll see how it goes with my hair, and we will review it as well. I will review it as well in a few days time, so come with me. My god, I can still see the marks from where I touched up last night, but anyways, yeah, let's go. Hi, good morning guys. So today, as promised, I have bought the Kativa straightening kit, and that is what we are gonna do today. We are gonna do the straightening without iron kit. So I bought two, and it's the green colored box. I bought two just because my hair is really long. Don't mind the mess. My hair's really long. A couple of days ago, I have touched up my roots with a product that I bought from Hikoko, which is really good. It has no chemicals. It's not doesn't hurt the scalp or anything like that. It's vegetarian, I think is what it's called. But anyways, so we're gonna do this today. I have showered my hair yesterday. I have shampooed my hair. I have washed my hair with shampoo only. And then I got too lazy when I came back. So I decided that we are going to do this today. So let's start. I have two kits. First off, I'm going to section my hair into parts so that I know that I'm able to cover all of the areas. Blah. So I'm gonna open the kit just to be sure that I'm following the right steps. Inside this kit, you have the straightening mask. You also have the straightening conditioner. You have shampoo, the straightening shampoo. So we'll set that aside for now. And then a pair of gloves and the instructions. What does the instructions say? Concrete. 1 second, I'm gonna grab my glasses. So the instruction basically says that you have to section your just recently washed, shampooed hair into parts, and make sure that you cover each section, thin section, 0.20 inch away from the scalp. So that's what we are gonna do now. I'll just section off I'll just section off my hair, and then we are going to start. So it's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna remove the excess product on my hair so it's easier to blow dry. We are gonna blow dry, and just to make the process work much better, I will actually straighten my hair and then leave it on like that for a few hours before I rinse it again. So this is my hair after I've blow dried it. It takes a while to blow dry, especially because the product on the hair is so thick and I have really long hair. So it took me like forever just to get it completely dry, but it's still really sticky though, like it's very sticky. So to seal the product on my hair, I'm gonna do a very light straightening with iron, and then I'm gonna leave it on for a couple of hours and wash my hair. Yep, update. This is my hair after ironing. It's still really sticky and I just want to rinse it off already, but I will try to leave it on for an hour at least, and then wash it with a shampoo and the conditioner that came with the kit. You're supposed to leave the conditioner on for 3 minutes before rinsing it off. So I'll do that after an hour, and then I'll let you see the final product of my hair after using the Kativa straightening kit. So I've just showered. Now I'm gonna blow dry my hair and see what the final result is. Final result. It's shiny. I've just blow dried it. So guys, you be the judge. I know it's tedious work. It's really hard work when you have long hair like me. It takes a long time for application, blow drying your hair after and straightening it, and then waiting. It's really long, but considering the price, I got it for half price. It was $14.99 from $29.99. So it's really good. I'm happy with the results. I'm happy with how my hair looks now. I don't know how long this is gonna last, but I hope like it lasts for 2 months or so. I have a spare box anyways in case I need to touch up in a few months. So this is it. Thank you for watching my